Jeff Sessions is a horrible human being. He's not just horrible, he's evil. When I say evil, I don't mean that lightly. I mean that when he leaves office or when he passes away, it will require an exorcist moment. Someone will have to come in with holy water, lay hands upon the room, bless it, in order to eradicate that his presence was in that office. Jeff Sessions, the day that he leaves office or dies, a caterpillar will turn into a butterfly. And then that butterfly will turn into a unicorn. And then that unicorn will shit golden bricks of love. Because Jeff Sessions leaving, the world would have just gotten a little more beautiful, a little bit more peaceful, a little bit more fair. I don't say this just because Jeff Sessions looks a lot like Granny off Hillbillies. No. I say this because his policies suck. And every single policy that Jeff Sessions has handed down has been horrific. Take, for instance, the removal of protections for transgenders under the Title VII of the 1964 Civil Rights Act. This act protected or prohibited employers from discriminating on the basis of race, religion, creed, not orientation. That's the thing. It wasn't orientation. So Obama, he shoehorned in transgenders to protect them in the workplace because transgenders are people too. But not to Jeff Sessions. Oh, hell no. A memo he sent out modifies the inclusion of transgenders in the workplace. It's not just that. A slight uptick in crime in isolated cities across this country has brought Jeff Sessions a feverish need to increase policing to a level that is beyond. He wants 40 more prosecutors appointed. He's increasing mandatory sentencing, even on nonviolent drug possessors or offenders. Jeff Sessions also stopped the expansion of consent decrees across this country. Consent decrees do nothing but hold police accountable for their actions. You know, actions like racial profiling, police brutality. And all it was is that if you pull your gun or if you racially profile or if you brutalize a person, a citizen of the United States, and you're a law enforcement officer, you have to fill out a report explaining what you did. Jeff Sessions thought that was too much. He said that filling out a report and having to answer for one's actions as a law enforcement personnel effectively tied their hands from doing their jobs. This is your Attorney General and mine. Bernie Sanders once marched with Martin Luther King Jr. Not only did Jeff Sessions not march with MLK, but Coretta Scott King, the widow of Martin Luther King Jr., wrote a 9-page letter pleading, I tell you, that Jeff Sessions never be appointed to a federal judgeship. That's how horrible Jeff Sessions is. Now, if she would have written a 1-pager, maybe we could dismiss it. But a 9-page letter, man? 9! She was on to something. He's expanding civil forfeitures. He's expanding private prisons. Jeff Sessions, and why is he in that office right now? He's in that office because Donald Trump appointed him. There was only one Democrat that voted for Jeff Sessions. That Democrat's name is Joe Manchin. That bastard who wants to get rid of the internet and net neutrality that makes the internet fair and accessible for all. Joe Manchin needs to go too. Back to Jeff Sessions. You know, I don't like wishing death on any man. But being as though in order for Jeff Sessions to leave office, he either has to quit, be fired, or die. I don't care which. Whether it's private prisons, mandatory minimums, civil asset forfeiture, consent decree demolishing, transgender rights wiping away, punishment of sanctuary cities expecting local law enforcement to do the job of ICE. Jeff Sessions has probably spent his entire life hating people who were taller than him, browner than him, or sexier than him. Jeff Sessions. I don't know how we get rid of him, but I sure hope we come up with something, because this man is a horrible attorney general. And we all suffer for it.